Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add private story link on Snapchat. And here's how it's done. First, open the Snapchat app to the camera screen. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then go to the My Stories section and select View Private Story. Choose who can view your private story by selecting Friends. Then tap Create Story. Give it a name and tap Done. Next, tap the three dots beside Add to Private Story. From here, you can select pictures or videos from your snaps or camera roll, or take a new photo by tapping the camera icon. Capture your snap and use the crop option to zoom in or out. To add a link, tap the attachment icon. Enter the URL you want to share. Then tap Go to Preview. If correct, tap Attach to Snap. This adds the link to your private story snap. That is everything you need to know about how to add private story link on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.